Hello friends, during my weekend saw I talked to you about how to make an insert for your table saw, and then I realized that the footage relating on how to clear obstacles was not included. As you see, my saw has a little bit of a bump here that corresponds with the blade. Actually the blade is slightly higher than the bump. Your saw might not have it or might have different bumps, and you have to account for them in your clearance. So I use two different methods. The first one is not very eloquent, but it does work. It allows the insert to be flat, and it was simply done by using this. So you can use a power sander and you can eat away the part that you need to eat away, or you can use a Dremel tool which makes a much smaller and to some degree cleaner a hole. So I will show you how we did with the Dremel tool. I use actually one of the cuts, you can use anything, to mark where my bump is. So I went to the highest point of the bump and I made the mark there, and that's my distance. And then I made two more marks to have an idea of how much I need to take out, and I'm going to use my third one to take off the required material. So here is our distance from our mark. Oh, I forgot. I also made a mark on the device itself so we know where the bump is in relationship to the machine, and that's the center. So now I have two marks. I have the center of the bump and I have the distance. And I've made a mark here to tell me how long the bump is. So I draw a line and I will use my Dremel tool to just make that makes a very nice indentation. So our zero insert will work. It looks like I might have to do a little bit more. Well, actually this one I have not completely even, so I need to use the Alright, it looks like I need to elongate this a little bit, but this now fits in the hole and we have the 3 inserts already. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you next week with a quick tip.